In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Workout Trainerize client 2025, step by step. Start by logging into Trainerize on the web or through the mobile app. From the dashboard, head to the Clients tab and open the profile of the client you want to schedule for. This keeps everything you do tied to the right person, including workouts, cardio, and habits. Inside the client's profile, open the calendar. You can switch between a month or week view depending on how detailed you want to be. The week view is great for fine-tuning, while the month view helps you see overall structure and spacing. Click the date you want to schedule. A quick menu will pop up with options like Add Workout, Add Cardio, Add Habit, and Add Note. For this tutorial, choose Add Workout. You can always return later to add cardio sessions or habits once your training backbone is set. Next, choose where the workout will come from. You can pull from program workouts you've already assigned, build from your custom workouts, grab a workout template, or reuse something you scheduled recently. Templates and recently used workouts are real time savers, especially if you're programming similar structures across weeks. Just be sure your templates reflect your current standards and progressions. After selecting Add Workout, you'll see categories such as strength workouts, HIIT, circuits, interval workouts, custom options, and your templates. Pick the workout that fits the client's goals, equipment access, and recovery status for that day. For example, place higher intensity or heavy strength sessions away from other demanding days to protect recovery. Now set your scheduling options. You can add a time of day if the client depends on reminders, or leave it blank if they prefer flexibility. Choose whether the session repeats, such as every Monday, or if it's a one-time event. Repeats are excellent for consistency, but double-check your training block length so the pattern doesn't extend beyond the phase you intend. Click Schedule. The workout will land on the calendar. If you need to adjust anything, open the scheduled item to edit or delete it. Changes will sync to the client automatically. Repeat this process for each training day. Continue until week 1 is complete. The full program structure is in place, and all required lifts, cardio sessions, and habits are covered. Building in this order helps